In this lesson, we are going to learn how to get user keyboard input into our Java program. Most useful program allows the user to input information for processing. One of the ways to input data to a computer is via the keyboard. To get input from keyboard, first import the scanner class from Java util package. Next, create a scanner object. We need to associate the object to systeminfo keyboard input. Print out a message to prompt the user. Use the next line method to get a string from the user. We need to wait for the user to input the string from the keyboard. The string input by the user will then be returned and assigned to the string s. Finally, print what the user has input to the console. Practice time. Pause the video and code this example. Enter any string to test run the code. To get an integer from the keyboard, first, import scanner class from Java util package. Next, create a scanner object. We need to associate the object to systeminfo keyboard input. Next, print out a message to prompt the user. Use next int method to get an integer from the user. Wait for the user to input an integer and the integer will be returned and assigned to the num1 variable. Print another message to prompt the user for second number. Wait for the user to enter the second number. The integer input by the user will be returned and assigned to the num2 variable. Add up the two number input and assign to sum. Print the sum to console. Practice time. Pause the video and code this example. Enter any two integer numbers for integer 1 and integer 2. Test run the code. If the user enter a non-integer, the method nextInt will generate an error, or in more technical term, throw an exception. Because the method is expecting an integer but it got a string instead. We will learn more about exception handling, that is how to handle errors, later in the course.